Hey there, science enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of plastic resin and unraveling the science behind it. Get ready for a journey into the heart of polymers, the building blocks of so much around us. Polymers are like the Lego blocks of the material world. At their core, they're large molecules made up of repeating subunits. Imagine a chain of identical beads that's a polymer. In the case of plastic resin, these chains are the secret sauce. Journey in the form of tiny pellets. These pellets, often made from petrochemicals, go through a process called polymerization. It's like a molecular dance where the chains link up, forming a robust structure, our plastic resin. Not all plastic resins are created equal. There's a whole family out there. From the familiar pet in your water bottle to the versatile polyethylene in your shopping bags, each type has unique properties that make it perfect for specific applications. As we wrap up our journey into the science behind plastic resin, it's clear that innovation is key. Scientists and engineers are exploring new materials, improved recycling methods, and sustainable practices to shape a future where plastics coexist harmoniously with our planet. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the science behind plastic resin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more exciting dives into the world of science.